Hello everyone, nice to meet you. Welcome to Xun Kung Fu System. I'm Master Leon Chu. I hope you liked the last video. This is our second lesson for practicing Taichi by yourself at home. If you are a beginner, I strongly suggest you to check the movements in the last video. After that, you start to imitate the movements I show in this video. Are you ready? Let's start to do it. When you complete the movement of 右跑, and then you step your behind leg back, your hands do the movement like this. This is called 下人手. Let us do it one more time. 右跑, step back, 下人手. Let us do it continuously. 右跑,下人手. Next movement is called Tanbian. It is very famous. When you complete 下人手, you hook in. Okay, you hook in. And then your hand like this. The left below your right. Let us do it continuously. 右跑, 下人手. Don't forget your left hand just below your right hand. After the 下人手, it follows Tanbian. Tanbian is very famous in the world of Taichi. Okay, let us try to do it. After you complete 下人手, and then you move your weight onto your right leg, like this. Okay, one more time. When you complete 下人手, then you move your weight. And then you step sideways, move your weight. Complete the movement Tanbian. Some of the things you have to know. First, about the hook. You see, when I complete this movement, my right hand here is a hook. It's a hook. Okay? The attitude of the hook should be the same as your right ear. This is wrong, this is wrong. Okay? Some of the beginners, because they cannot realize, they cannot feel the position of their behind hand. So a lot of my students, when they first practice Taichi, the hands sometimes here, sometimes here. Okay? They are wrong. They are wrong. So if you are a beginner, this is your first time to practice Taichi, you need to check whether your hand is at the right position. It's very important. If you find out that your right hand look like this, then you lower it down. Okay? If you find out your hand here, then make it up. Okay, so this is very important. Second, when you try to practice Tanbian, okay, when you start from here, you move your weight onto your right leg. Your right hand, the two middle fingers slightly touch with each other. Okay? Slightly touch with each other. One more time. After 下云手. Okay. Middle finger touched. And this time, you put all your weight on your right leg. Your left foot just touch on the ground. Okay, try your best to do this. I know it's very difficult for many office ladies and those office men. They work very hard and they are in lack of exercise. So in the first beginning, some of you may feel you cannot put all of your weight on a single leg. It's okay, no problem. Most of my students cannot do it in the first beginning. So my suggestion is that when you try to do Tanbian, you move it slowly. And then if you find out it's difficult for you to stand with only one leg, then you can even put your foot like this. It's okay. Slightly up for beginner. It is acceptable. Okay. After many times repetition, I believe in that you can do it much better. Okay, one more. So this is the start of Tanbian hooking. Step sideways. Let us try to start from 右捧 to Tanbian. 右捧 and then 下云手. Tanbian. See, it's not so hard, right? Let us try to practice Taichi Quan from 起势 until Tanbian. Okay? Let's do it together. 起势 右揽穴 左捧 右捧 捋 挤 按 再按 下云手 单边 起势 右揽穴 左捧 右捧 捋 挤 按 再按，下云手，单边，起势，右揽雀，左捧，右捧，捋，挤，按，再按，下云手，单边，Okay, this is today's class. Try it. Do your best to review all the movements as many times as possible. That can really help you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like us, please subscribe our channel and share our channel to all of your friends. See you next time. Bye bye.